Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. I think this is going to be a bonus episode. Here's what I have. My old 2003 Honda Metropolitan scooter. I've been scooting around on it, even in the cold and snow and everything else. It will top out at 22 to 25 miles an hour depending on its mood, and it does not like open throttle. Like, it's okay to 3/4, and you get past 3/4 and it kind of falls on its face. And on top of that, the past couple days I've developed a issue. So I bought a spark plug and I bought a new used muffler because my old exhaust header into muffler had been cut and I patched it on a previous episode. So for science, I'm going to go for a ride as it sits now, and then we're going to come back, put a new spark plug on it and a proper exhaust, see how it goes. So this is set up as I was riding it the other day. I did get a new camera mount here. It's pretty sweet. It's another story how I got that. But Akaso, I believe is how you say it, sent me a new camera and accessory kit because I wasn't happy with the initial camera because I had to use a mic. So they sent me a new camera, a new mic, and an accessory kit. Thank you guys. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. It was just I left a review, they saw it, and wanted to make it right. So I appreciate that. Sophie was the name of the customer representative that helped me, and she was excellent. If you ever see this, AXO Corporate. Back to regularly scheduled programming. This is usually a one kickstart bike, maybe two. So, sorry about that. It's usually a one kicker go. That makes me happy. So now, let's cycle the fuel pump and watch it make a liar out of me. I usually cycle it twice, make sure the bowl's full, but I'm feeling frisky. Hey! One kick. I'll let it warm up a minute. Get us outside, then we'll go for a spin. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're on the scoot. I don't have an Insta360, so you're going to have to look at this for a minute. But hopefully you can hear what I'm talking about. Now I'm at half throttle and it's happy. 10, 15, 18, 20. Now I'm gonna. There it goes, right there. It coughs and doesn't like it. Wide open, cough, no like it. So less than 3/4 throttle, it's happy enough. That much. Test one. I am certain this will be a time lapse. I hope it does not take me very long. But pull the plug. Should be 2-3 bolts. Exhaust off. Exhaust back on. There we go. Before anyone asks, yes, I have an air filter. I have a new carburetor, albeit an Amazon one, but it is. I did set my valve clearance, valve lash. I think that's the word for it. And I have good gas. My fuel pump's obviously working. So there's that much I've narrowed down that should be okay. There's that. Let's see if we did any good. Well, I didn't hurt it any. Well, it is a lot quieter. Let's see how it does. I want to turn you around. Nah, you have to stare at me some more. I'm at half throttle. 18, 20. Give it a little more. 24. Throttle. 25. That made a big difference. It doesn't sound as bad. Still not real responsive at quick whack open of the throttle, but it is pretty cool. Got a little hiccup. I think that helped a bunch. Let me get pulled over here. See if I can spin you. Yeah, an Insta360 would be pretty sweet. Whoops, sounds a ton better. Much better. It's not perfect, it still has a little miss. Alright, well, it still has just a little hitch in its giddy up, but it sounds a little bit less like, hey, police officer, please pull me over. And I did get new backlights with the license plate holder because this one doesn't have a license plate light. But I will eventually when I change it, but I'm pretty happy. Yeah! Hey there, if you watched this far, thanks for watching. Me and a little hot pile going for a ride and doing a little work to it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like, please. Maybe a subscribe, maybe a thumbs up, the whole thing. And I'll catch you next time. Keep wrenching.